Today we're looking at a 2007 Sunsation 32 Midcabin Open Bow, listed for sale here at Grand Sports Center in Lake in the Hills, Illinois. This boat is equipped with the desirable Mercury Racing 525 EFI engines, got XR drives, beautiful custom paint, sits on a triple axle trailer. We've got underwater LED lighting, both on the sides and the transom. Trailer has custom wheels, diamond plate fenders, and a spare. We've also got a toolbox up front. Deep V stepped hull, great ride, fast, very desirable boat. Well made. Sunsation is one of the best boats out there. Got a stainless rub rail, stainless bow rails, pop-up cleats, open bow seating area. Also included is a full cover. Paint's in very good condition all the way down. Boat has a great profile. Moving around back, you do have K-plane trim tabs, the XR drives with 5-blade stainless props, MCOB hydraulic steering, got drive showers. We also have through hull exhaust, switchable with slash-cut transom tips. There's a drop-down swim ladder. We've got full SeaDek custom non-slip flooring, Sunsation logo on the swim platform, all-white sunpad, good condition. See, there's a pop-up fender holder on either side. Rear bench seat. Drop-down driver and passenger bolster seats. Got an updated JL Audio Bluetooth stereo system. Color match steering wheel and controls. Wraparound instrumentation. In-floor cooler storage. Got a passenger glove box. Painted dash panels. GPS speedo. Got a compass, drive and tab indicators. Also have a Simrad GPS chart plotter at the helm. Drop-down bolster seats are by McLeod. They're very comfortable, supportive. Subwoofers under the back seat. You also have your battery switches, power is on. Moving back up to the helm, we do have a push-button power engine hatch. Twin 525 EFI engines, low hours on a refresh. Beautiful stainless exhaust headers. Switchable through hull exhaust. Stepping down in the mid-cabin, you've got a fridge. There's your JL Audio stereo media master controller. You've got a galley sink. Salon seating area. Got accent lighting. Vanity mirror. Do have privacy doors as well. We've got an enclosed head. We've got a porta potty and a sink. Also have a shower washdown nozzle. Nice storage locker here. Moving up front to the open bow. Got some grab handles, more JL Audio speakers. Got a speedo up front. Supportive backrests. We also have deck pads. See the color matched fairing. There is a deck hatch from the mid cabin. Next, we're going to fire up and run both engines in our shop on a marine prop shaft dyno. Thanks for watching. Give us a follow. Check out our full inventory, updated daily at grandsportscenter.com. If you have a boat for sale, we'd love to hear from you. 847-458-6488.